You ready for Runna? Yeah? Oh God. Okay, let's go. Come on. Been tortured long enough, at least in his head. So we out here, one of his main routinely stops, you know, once again having to take the little one here to her employment. You know, being the Uber driver dad as we need to be at this moment. And that's okay. What's going on? Been a while. Again, like I've said before, you know, I mean, just doing life, you know, like, you know, I said on one of my last videos here, you know, it's been a while, definitely, because just been enjoying the moments, you know, taking it all in, the holidays, the festivities, the weather, working on myself as far as different ways, different workout routines, pretty much getting out in this nice blustery weather we here have. Sometimes gets up to, honestly, yesterday was about 80 mile an hour, maybe a little more in certain points, which, you know, is not surprising in this area. But we get through it. We're going to continue doing what we do at this moment, and you know, drop it when we can, how we can, and all the above with that. So, you know, right now I got just a little bit of a video thrown together. It ain't much, just Mr. Puppy there doing his run, and you know, right there, right before Christmas, you know, just getting him out there, stretching his legs, and letting him do his thing. We've been to quite a few different crafts fairs and enjoyed different little Christmas parades and stuff that came through. And right now, with the technology I'm playing with right here, it's all just not working too great at the night video grasping or taking, as you would say at this moment. It's just coming out not the way it should with this new gadget I've got in my hand. And you know, we're trying to work with it and make do with what we got at this moment, since we ended up trying to do the upgrade. But you know, right now I miss the old one. Also part of the reason why I'm not dropping as much at this moment. I get flustered and aggravated with the you know, taking all these clips and snips and realizing that the vocals ain't coming out, or just some of the other things, you know. It's just, it is what it is at this moment. I don't like to say that, but hey. But all in all, we continue to do what we do and share it with you. It's been a while, but as always, you know where we go from here. So stick around and enjoy the show. Oh, you want school Runna, huh? What? Okay, let's go. Oh, Mr. Puppy. Look at you go run. Look at him go run. Good boy. Good boy, go run. He's a good boy. All right, come on. Up. Good boy. Come on. There you go. Did you have a good runner? Yeah, good boy. Yeah, we got as low as -30, and yeah, his feet wasn't enjoying it. He was trying, but you know, anything above negative temperatures is okay on his paws, and I could understand that. There you go, Mr. Puppy. Yep, just huffa puffa. That's right, huffa puffa, huffa puffa. Run, run! Havoc the choo-choo train. That's right. Huffa puffa, huffa puffa, huffa puffa. Run, run! Good Mr. Puppy. He did a good leg day coming up that hill. And that's where we're at on that. We'll catch you on the next flip flop. Ooh, that wind. Oh God! Come on. Yeah, he's loving it though. Oh yeah, that's right. We ain't in the brick. We in the bullet right now. His entrance is a little more easier in this vehicle than the brick. It's all good. We make it work. A nice, decent little drink. Good boy.